Most Holy Father, the English-speaking visitors and pilgrims are happy to have this occasion to express to you their sentiments of respect and esteem, and to assure you of their prayers for your ministry as the successor of Peter. At the end of the audience, we will sing together the Our Father in Latin. The Holy Father will then impart his apostolic blessing, which he willingly extends to the members of your families at home. His Holiness also intends to bless any religious articles you may have brought for this purpose, and in a special way, his blessing goes to your children and to your loved ones who are sick. The following is a summary of the Holy Father's words this morning. Our audience today coincides with World Environment Day, and so it is fitting to reflect on our responsibility to cultivate and care for the earth in accordance with God's command. We are called not only to respect the natural environment, but also to show respect for and solidarity with all the members of our human family. These two dimensions, natural ecology and human ecology, are closely related. Today we are suffering from a crisis which is not only about the just management of economic resources. It is also about respect for human resources, for the needs of our brothers and sisters living in extreme poverty, and especially for the many children in our world who lack adequate education, health care, and nutrition. Consumerism and a culture of waste have led some of us to tolerate the waste of precious resources, including food, while others are literally wasting away from hunger. I ask all of you to reflect on this grave ethical problem in a spirit of solidarity grounded in our common responsibility for the earth and for all our brothers and sisters in the human family.
Saluto cordialmente I pellegrini di lingua inglese presenti all'odierna udienza, specialmente quelli provenienti dall'Inghilterra, Scozia, Paesi Bassi, Nigeria, Singapore e Stati Uniti. Dio vi benedica tutti.
I offer an affectionate greeting to all the English-speaking pilgrims and visitors present at today's audience, including those from England, Scotland, the Netherlands, Nigeria, Singapore, and the United States. May God bless you all.
Benedicat vos omnipotens Deus, Pater et Filius et Spiritus Sanctus.
Amen.